Hello, how are you? Today, let's dive into the Fujifilm X-S10 and what makes this camera a solid choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. The Fujifilm X-S10 packs a lot of punch for its compact size. It combines Fujifilm's renowned image quality with powerful stabilization and a user-friendly design. Whether you're capturing photos or shooting video, this model is designed to provide versatility without adding bulk to your setup. So let's explore its main features. First up is the 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X Processor 4. This sensor, which is similar to those found in Fujifilm's higher-end models, delivers excellent color reproduction and detail. It handles a variety of lighting conditions well, making it ideal for low-light environments or situations with high dynamic range. A standout feature of the X-S10 is its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This is crucial for handheld photography and videography, allowing you to shoot at slower shutter speeds without blur. It compensates up to 6 stops, which means even subtle movements during handheld video are smoothed out, giving you that professional look without extra equipment. For those focused on video capabilities, the X-S10 supports 4K recording at up to 30 FPS, as well as Full HD at 240 FPS for slow-motion shots. Fujifilm has ensured the camera produces sharp, detailed video footage, and with the added stabilization, your shots remain steady. It also offers F-Log recording, allowing for more control in post-processing and making it easier to match with other Fujifilm cameras. In terms of usability, the X-S10 has a fully articulating touchscreen. This screen can be flipped and rotated, making it ideal for vloggers or those who need flexibility when framing shots at unusual angles. Additionally, the electronic viewfinder is clear and responsive, ensuring an accurate preview of your shot. One more thing worth mentioning is the compact and ergonomic design. The grip is deep and comfortable, giving you stability even for extended shoots. At 465 grams, the X-S10 is lightweight, but it feels solid in hand, balancing well with a range of Fujifilm lenses. The Fujifilm X-S10 brings professional-grade features into a compact body that's easy to carry and use. It's versatile enough to handle everything from casual photography to advanced video projects, making it a go-to option for many creatives. If you enjoyed this overview and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera breakdowns and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.